Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can add multiple accounts on Thread. It's pretty simple. So after you open Threads, going to show you only one of your Instagram account at first. Now to see multiple Thread accounts, you need to add them, and to add them, you need to log in into your account first. So right below your account, you can see this option called Switch Accounts. You can switch accounts, and then at the bottom, it's going to show you log in with another Instagram account. Click on it. Now for those people who do not know, to create a Threads account, you need to have Instagram account. If you create Instagram account, then you link that Instagram account to your Thread, and only a Thread account can be created. Alright, so I didn't. Unless you have Instagram account, Threads cannot be used. Over here enter your username, mobile number or email, whatever you want, and enter the password of your account, and click on login, and log in into your Instagram account. So as you guys can see, I have logged in into my other Instagram account. That's why it's showing me to Threads account now. Now, can switch between them easily. What I can do is just log in into one of it by clicking on it. And once I'm inside one of my Threads account, I can click on my profile picture at the bottom left. And then over here, I can click on the 3 line at the top or 2 line, and click on switch profile, and click on my other profile over here. So yeah, can click on add profile, and it's going to show me all my other profiles. I'm just going to click on Which Kevin, and log in into my Which Kevin Threads account. It's that simple. If you guys found her video helpful on how to add multiple accounts and Thread, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.